In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft multiplayer on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about which options you have to do a multiplayer world on Minecraft if you are playing on a Mac. So you will be able to play with friends who are on different platforms as well. So if you have people who are on Windows, you all will still be able to play together. So you will have two ways depending on how you want to go about this. You can either do a LAN world where everyone who will be playing has to be on the same network, or you can do a hosted server and everyone will join that server using its IP. If you want to do a LAN world, like I said before, everyone needs to be on the same Wi-Fi. So the host will just go ahead and create the world. It doesn't matter which game mode it is on, just go ahead and start hosting the world. I recommend that the person who is online the most and has the strongest PC does this. Once the host is inside of the world, pause the game at any point and go to open to LAN. The port number will appear. This isn't particularly important, and you can change the options, allow commands, game mode, and then start the LAN world. So usually there will be a warning in chat. I simply have it disabled, but it is going to tell you that the LAN world is now active. Now, whoever is going to join, as long as they are on the same Wi-Fi network as you, they will go over to multiplayer, and if the host is still inside of the world, they will be able to join from here. Sadly, I cannot demonstrate this because I'm currently alone, but of course, if there was a host inside of a world here, I would be able to click and join it because as you can see, it is scanning for games on the local network. So this is going to be the most direct approach. Now, of course, you might not be in the same area as your friends all the time. So the other alternative becomes hosting a server. There are various different ways to go about this. You can either request a server hosting from a service like Apex Hosting, but of course you will have to pay a monthly fee. They will host a server 24/7 so you don't have to worry, and usually these are going to be lag free because they are professional server hosters. You also have the option to use a free service like Aternos. Usually you will have to wait, go through a queue, and watch a lot of ads, but it is a free alternative. Besides this, there is the option to create your own server and host it on your PC, but this takes a while, and sadly I cannot showcase the entire process in this video. So consider these options and see how you want to go about doing this. I hope I was able to help you with how to play Minecraft multiplayer on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.